Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can block contact on IMO. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your application. As you open up the IMO application, the interface gonna look like this. So from here you'll have to tap on the contact icon in the top right corner. As you tap on it, on the other page you have all your contacts. So from here you'll have to select a contact that you want to block. So then tap on it. As soon as the chat page loads, so then tap on the username, which is right on top in the upper left corner. On the other page you'll land inside more, and under it there are multiple options. So from here right at the bottom you can see block. So then tap on the button which is in the right hand side corner. As soon as you tap on the button right in center, there's a pop-up, so make sure to go through it and then tap on block. Right over here you can see that the contact has been removed, which means that the contact has been blocked. That is how you can block contact on IMO application. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.